Toyota's CEO just announced 8 brand new models for 2027, and this lineup is doing something the company has never done before, directly giving Americans exactly what they've been asking for. If you felt for years that Toyota was playing it too safe, recycling familiar nameplates while rivals grabbed headlines with bold new products, this announcement is going to feel like a direct response to every complaint you've ever had. What's coming in 2027 includes a long overdue compact pickup, 2 reborn sports car legends, and a 641 horsepower supercar that proves this company has been holding back far more than anyone realized. Number 7. Toyota RAV4 Pickup. For years, American truck buyers have been asking Toyota the same question: where is your compact pickup? The Maverick arrived, proved there was real appetite for a smaller, fuel-efficient truck, and Toyota watched from the sidelines. That wait is finally ending. The RAV4 pickup is going to ride on Toyota's TNGA-K platform, the same architecture underpinning the 6th generation RAV4. It means the truck arrives with a powertrain already refined through millions of miles of real-world use. The hybrid setup carries over with strong output and the fuel efficiency that has made the RAV4 one of the best-selling vehicles in the country. Think about how many times you've crammed furniture into an SUV or strapped lumber to a roof rack because the cargo area simply wasn't built for it. That's the exact gap the RAV4 pickup is designed to close. Styling follows the RAV4's design language closely, crew cab is expected as the only body configuration, and pricing is going to start around $30,000. But the RAV4 pickup is only one part of Toyota's compact truck offensive, and the next entry goes after a completely different buyer. Number 6. Toyota Hilux Champ. Not every truck needs to be a lifestyle statement. Some trucks need to haul, tow, endure, and repeat without a premium price tag. The Hilux Champ is being built around exactly that philosophy, arriving with a capability profile that puts pressure on vehicles costing significantly more. 2 bed lengths are going to be available, 5.9 feet and 7.2 feet. Beyond standard pickup variants, a chassis cab version is part of the plan. A clean slate for businesses needing custom upfitting, whether that's a service body, a flatbed, or specialty cargo equipment. Any small business owner who has watched fuel costs eat into margins month after month knows how much that drain adds up. Every job site visit, every delivery run, the pump is always waiting at the end of it. That's exactly why the Hilux Champ's available hybrid powertrain is going to matter for budget-conscious operators. The electric motor assists during acceleration, regenerative braking recovers energy that would otherwise disappear, and every tank stretches meaningfully further than gas-only competitors. A base gasoline version stays available for buyers who value simpler maintenance. For owners who've watched truck prices spiral while their actual needs stay the same, the Hilux Champ is a direct answer, and what comes next takes a completely different approach to the truck market. Number 5. Toyota Pixis K truck. This one is genuinely new ground for the American market. The Pixis K truck has existed in Japan for years, where K vehicles occupy a unique space, compact enough for tight terrain, efficient enough to run on almost nothing, and surprisingly capable within those smaller dimensions. For buyers managing a property, running a farm, or working a site that a full-size truck can't access cleanly, the Pixis is going to open doors that nothing currently sold in this market fits through. Its footprint is genuinely small, its configuration options are extensive, and the powertrain is efficient by design, keeping operating costs at a level that makes this truck worthwhile for jobs that don't need outsized power. The American market has never had anything quite like this, but the next model on this list is something every buyer in the country already knows, and it's arriving better than ever. Number 4. Next generation Toyota Corolla. The Corolla nameplate has sold more vehicles globally than virtually anything else in automotive history. The next generation is not resting on that legacy. It's building on it with changes that are immediately visible and genuinely felt. The exterior takes a decisive step forward with sharper lines, a more confident stance, and that hammerhead headlight design that's been making Toyota's recent models so recognizable. The cabin is going to feel like a clear step up, with better materials, a more modern layout, and a technology package that finally matches what rivals have been offering. A larger touchscreen, a fully digital instrument cluster, and wireless smartphone integration are all arriving as standard. Anyone who has driven home at night on an unfamiliar road knows how much difference a strong safety system makes. That feeling of the car responding before you fully process a hazard, that's the difference between a close call and a real one. Toyota Safety Sense 3.0 is going to be standard across the entire lineup, bringing upgraded cameras, wider radar coverage, and improved pre-collision detection, adaptive cruise control, and lane recognition. That said, if a practical sedan isn't your focus, what Toyota is doing next on this list is going to get your attention fast. Number 3. Toyota MR2. Mid-engine sports cars are a rare thing. Affordable mid-engine sports cars are nearly extinct. Toyota is bringing one back. The MR2 is returning with its defining layout intact, engine behind the driver, weight distributed exactly where it needs to be, and a powertrain built for this era. That engine is the new G20E 2.0-liter turbocharged 4-cylinder. Already proven versatile enough to be mounted in multiple orientations, it's a natural fit for the mid-engine layout. Output is going to exceed Toyota's current turbo 2.4-liter, and hybrid assistance hasn't been ruled out. Most mid-engine sports cars demand a price that rules out the vast majority of buyers before the conversation even starts. The MR2 is going to be accessible in a way that cars with this layout simply aren't. Proper mid-engine dynamics, a modern turbocharged 4-cylinder, and a price that doesn't require extraordinary financial sacrifice. And if the MR2 sounds exciting, wait until you hear what's right above it. Number 2. Toyota Celica. Few names in Toyota's history carry the same weight as Celica. The nameplate ran for 7 generations, built a loyal following across multiple decades, and went off the market in 2005. It's coming back, and the formula behind this revival is about as pure as it gets. A turbocharged 4-cylinder producing 400 horsepower is going under the hood. A manual transmission is going to be available. 4-wheel drive is part of the package. That combination is a direct statement about what kind of car this is. Not a softened modern interpretation, but a proper performance machine with a real connection between the driver and the road. At a time when automakers are quietly removing 3-pedal options across their lineups, Toyota is bringing one back as part of a flagship sports car revival. For buyers who have spent years watching the manual transmission disappear from showrooms, this is exactly the decision they've been waiting for. The Celica is a remarkable comeback, but the model sitting at number 1 is operating on a completely different level. Number 1. Toyota GR GT. Everything else on this list is impressive. This is something different. The GR GT is Toyota's new supercar, developed by Gazoo Racing alongside the GR GT3 race car, and it is a full production vehicle, not a concept. The powertrain is a newly developed 4.0-liter twin-turbo V8 paired with a front-mounted electric motor, routed through an 8-speed automatic with a rear transaxle layout. Combined output is targeted at 641 horsepower and 627 pound-feet of torque, numbers validated through testing at Fuji Speedway and the Nürburgring. Top speed is targeted at 199 miles per hour or higher. The chassis is built on Toyota's first all-aluminum body frame, with carbon fiber reinforced panels on the hood, roof, and rear hatch. Target curb weight is 3,858 pounds or lower, with a 45 to 55 front-to-rear weight distribution. Forged aluminum A-arms front and rear, bespoke Michelin Pilot Sport Cup 2 tires, and Brembo carbon disc brakes complete the package. The cabin was engineered around the driver first, with switches concentrated near the wheel, display placement refined through evaluation by professional drivers. This is a road-legal race car with a production number, heading for a select group of Lexus dealers who meet Gazoo Racing's sales and service requirements. 8 models, 1 announcement, and a company that has clearly decided playing it safe is no longer the plan. The RAV4 pickup and Hilux Champ are finally giving American buyers the affordable, efficient truck options Toyota should have offered years ago. The Pixis K truck is opening a segment that has never existed in this market. The next generation Corolla is arriving sharper, safer, and more refined than any version before it. And then there are the performance cars. The MR2 bringing back mid-engine thrills at an accessible price, the Celica returning with 400 horsepower, a manual gearbox, and 4-wheel drive, and the GR GT sitting at the top as a legitimate 641 horsepower supercar built for the road and developed on the racetrack. Toyota has spent years being the reliable choice. What's coming in 2027 is something more than that. It's a brand that has figured out how to be the exciting choice at the same time. This list of novelties represents one of the boldest moves Toyota has made in a decade. Still, rival companies are bringing massive novelties as well, starting with Stellantis and its 8 new models you can check out in our next video. From long overdue redesigns to brand new models, Stellantis is all in for the next year.